Good morning! And it's day 2 of Toledo. Now it started off a little bit cloudy today, which is quite nice for walking around, but not so good for photographs. So I popped into a little cafe, hole in the wall, I don't know what they call it. Let's find out what they call them here. Anyway, popped in here to get something to eat and a drink, and hopefully wait for the sun to come out later today. But it's very pleasant walking around. Quite a few tourists in the main centre, but you just branch off any of the little alleys around, you get beautiful views, amazing buildings everywhere, it's so historic. In the main street there's lots of cafes and things, and they're quite busy, quite expensive as well. Just wander off the side streets, you find little spots like this, which you can have all to yourself, and they're cheaper, which suits me fine. You can walk around, the roads really aren't suitable for cars, few cars, but you can walk around. One thing to be warned though, it's built on a big rock. So everything is up and down and up and down. So it will test your feet and test your legs. It's good exercise for you. It's nice to be out. So, I have my sandwich, have some coffee, chill a bit, and then we'll go out and show you a bit more around Toledo. Even in Toledo, I nearly managed to get run over, believe it. And when you're around Toledo, even though there is, as I've just shown you, some good signage dotted around, they're sort of at key junctions, and in between you're sort of left to your own devices, so you will see a lot of people spending a lot of time peering at maps, wandering around. I can't believe I've spent about 20 minutes trying to find the biggest building on the island, the cathedral. On the island? In the town. I have just found it after wandering round and round in circles for ages, because there's all these little alleys and there's something to look at, and then you find a signpost and it goes that way, so you go that way, you wander a little bit, you find a signpost and it goes that way. So, but that's part of the fun of it. And, very nice quiet alley. Now found the cathedral, let's go and have a look inside. Entrance into the cathedral is €10 per person. The ticket office is opposite the entrance, so you go and get your ticket, then you go into the cathedral. You can also get an audio visual in French, German, English and Chinese, I think. Anyway, let's get my tickets. So it is €10 to go in, but it includes a free audio guide in several languages, which you have to leave either a €50 deposit or an ID with. So I left my ID, got my deposit. Now let's go and have a look inside. a beautiful day we have had in Toledo. What a beautiful time we've had. Half a day yesterday and a long walk for the sunset. Beautiful day today. Saw lots of sights around Toledo, and now this superb evening. The spring sun is shining through, the leaves are green, the birds are singing, and I have the park to myself. This is just on the edge of the city, beautiful park to walk around on. I'm hoping to walk up here and get some views with the sunlight shining onto the city. But I hope you've enjoyed our time here. Give us a thumbs up. If I've missed things that I should have done in Toledo, let me know, because I want to come back. Don't I want to go back everywhere? Can you blame me when they're this beautiful? And if you're liking these videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and follow me as I take you around the world with me and see as many places and as many countries as I can. And we can go together. Now, there's the city. The disadvantage of this is I've walked down out the city, so going back is going to be uphill at the end of the day. Church bells. Cathedral bells. Now, if I can fly the drone from here without losing it or crashing it. Let's see. Well, I got the drone back. Now, does it have any damage? Best way to find out is test it again. Test flight after crash. Powering up, rotors seem fine. Oh, look at that, she's alive!